Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. And now tap the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Focus on loyalty, gift card and transit. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Now let's select gift card and similarly to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. Last card you can add is transit. If you are able to find your transit way, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.